Okay, so what may be the consequences if we not tested?
Yes, sir. If goods are bad or we can't able to anything about this mobile because they working good or not.
Yeah, you're right. Otherwise, so the testing phase is most important phase in any of the development cycle or manufacturing cycle. Okay, so it has more what to say more value than development. Okay, the testing only makes you the end product goes without any defect free or without any error free. So what do you mean by a defect? Any idea? So you guys know Boeing, right?
No, sir. No, sir. No.
Hey, Boeing
No, sir.
aeroplane manufacturing company. Okay, so the Boeing company, if you Google, right, so few years back, so their one of the famous Boeing model, right, so it's some defect. Okay, so whenever they try to in a particular model, so the landing gear automatically works in a faulty way. Okay, so whenever they are try to elevate the flight, the landing gear tries to land the flight. Okay, so it made almost 3 to 4 Boeing Airbuses to crash. Okay, that's the costliest defect which went into live without proper testing. So that's the reason to cause this defect. You guys can Google and get to know that more. Okay. So if we are not testing the product perfectly, or the features, or the you know innovative solutions, whatever we are attaching to a particular product, right? So if you're not testing it properly, definitely it will lead to uh, more costly losses. Like even it will cause the loss to human lives as well. So the best example is the Boeing 747, I guess, that Airbus defect. Okay, so the testing is more important. So if you are not testing uh, the mobiles properly before the launch, right? So we can take the Redmi phones, right, and Samsung phones. So even few or 4 or 5 years back, we heard some Samsung new model phones are busting, right, while we are carrying the phones. So that's a defect in their charging and discharging unit. So that caused many impacts to many end users. So they got lost to their skins, and few got lost to their ears. So like that, if we are not testing the things properly, the end user will have the impacts. Okay. So the final phase will be the implementation phase. Okay. So in implementation phase, right? So what are the major things we do? So whether it is installation or implementation for Lift or a software, can anyone guess what are the things we do in implementation phase? Again, Durgesh, you are the only person who is answering me. So what are the different things we do in implementation phase? Okay, so in implementation phase, right? So if it is a lift, or if it is a mobile, or whatever it is, if you think it is a software product, right? Definitely, the implementation is the final code will move to the production, or the live environment. So if you take Facebook, okay, So every day, right, Facebook migrates their code into their live product. I mean, the end user. We used to install the apps in our phone and launch the Facebook, right? So that is the end product, and what are the changes they make, they will push into the end product. Okay, so if you think the elevator, right? So we need to go and install the elevator in the customer site, and we should check the all possibilities. Like at least we should share how to operate the lift for all the users, and what are the features we have given in the lift. And finally, we need to give them the warranty period. Okay, the warranty period, that's the major thing. Every industry is started to giving now. Okay, so during the warranty period, right, if any errors or any repairs caused in the final product, the company will go and rectify it for the customers. So those all things are involved in the implementation phase. Okay, so any questions, guys? Okay, so we will move to the next slide. Hey, am I boring?
No, sir.
Yeah, I also crossed the student life, right? Tell me if I'm boring, I will stop here.
No, sir. Continue, sir.
Two more slides only, but we already discussed more to cover those topics as well. So just navigate to the slides. So empathize. So we already discussed about this. Like we should talk to the customers, and what are the things he needs, and what are the things that we can provide for the particular product or software. So all these things we already discussed. If you have any questions, you can ask me in this slide. Okay, I will move on to the next slide. So this also we already discussed, right? So what are the problem statements, or what are the needs from customers? We need to define the things, and we should create the problem statements as requirements to create our product or software, and the ideate phase. So this also we already discussed, and the final one, implementation. So this also we already discussed. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Can I take the silence as no?
Sir. First
Yeah,
sentence as
sorry?
explain, sir.
Sorry?
Put a button into effect.
Yeah, so see, put the vision into effect in the sense, whatever things you collected, right? So first, your product or correct. The thoughts, you will change it to vision, and finally, you will deploy or install the product or software, right? So your thoughts are your visions, and the effects are your final product. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so apart from this, generic topic, so you guys have any questions related to industry, or any questions related to how to make yourself ready for the field? So I have more 5 minutes. So 11:45 we will wind up. So for this 5 minutes, you can ask any questions. Even you can ask stupid questions, I will answer. So no one is interested to work in IT field, right?
No, sir. Yes, sir. I want, but I have no any question.
You can ask any questions.
What type questions, sir? I can't able to find out.
So you know how to get a job, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you are doing your second year or third year?
Yes, second year, sir.
So which major you are doing?
CSE.
Okay. So what are the languages you know? Technical, not
Yeah, yes, sir. Java or C or C plus plus.
okay. So is that enough to get a job in industry?
I don't know, sir. I don't have any idea, sir.
Hey, Anjan, don't call me sir. Just call me Ram. If you call me sir, you know I feel like I getting old.
Yeah.
You can call me Ram. So any other any questions? You guys can ask. You can ask me
Sir,
any questions about the industry is, you know, what kind of job and
sir, I have question, sir.
yeah, yes, tell me the things.
How to qualify, sir, GATE exam?
Pass. I haven't wrote gate exam.
So you have any experience, sir?
Uh, no, yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So technically, I can share you. See, I will tell you, you know, how I got a job or okay. So I'm an average student in Secondary Engineering College, okay. But I have the interest to talk more and the interest to present papers in different symposiums. Hope HODs are focused. So almost in a semester, right, a 6 months period, right. So I'll not be in class at least for 2 months. Okay. So every week I will go to him and get on duty at a setting. I will go to present some papers and some symposiums. At least to make myself empowered or to make me feel that I'm capable of doing the things. So at the initial days, right, I failed at many paper presentations. Okay. But later, right, so when I start keep on going, and I start accept my failures. I came to know how to present the papers, and I came to know how to get the prize whenever I go to presentations. Okay. So that's how I improved myself in college, and this college helped me a lot, okay, to improve me personally and professionally. So once we complete the degree, so I have done many interviews, and finally I got placed in Popular Technology Solutions. And this is my first company, and I'm still here in this company. So as a trainee, I started my career here in this company, and currently I'm getting a team of 14. Okay. So and so how many of you Tamil students here? I mean, students from Tamil Nadu. Or how many of you studied your schools in your mother tongue, not in matriculation or not in CBSE, in state board?
Only for it.
Okay. So I have studied my school in state board. I doesn't even know how to talk in English at least until I complete my second year or third year. Okay, and I doesn't even know how to write the things, write the answers for the questions in semester exam. Okay. So, but finally, I spent a lot of time in improving my skills in reading, writing, everything. So everything I did in this 4 years only. Okay. So as Anjan told, only not C or C++ will help you to get a job. first ready to talk. If you are talkative, then definitely you guys will get the job. If you are hesitant to talk, or you hesitate to open or share your thoughts, definitely it's very hard for everyone to get their dream jobs. So that's my personal advice.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So if you get a chance to getting any sessions from many technical persons from industry, right? Just ready to ask questions. Okay. Then only one day or one day you will ready to answer. Okay. So any other questions, guys?
Sir, I have one question. For placement point of view, how many language we have to know? We should know.
Technically, right?
Yeah, technically.
So Anjan, see, if you ask me, right? So my personal advice would be, there is no point in adding, 5 or 6 technical languages in your resume. Like I know C, I know Java, I know
Feedback.
I know Python. So that will not give you any credits. So the personal advice would be, just be master in any one language. Okay. If you know C, just be strong in C. You got it right.
Yes, sir.
So
But you know, sir, nowadays our study is going on fully online.
see, studies are studies and your certificate, all those are just a token to enter into interview. Okay, to crack that interview, right? So you should learn something apart from that. See, textbooks will not give you the complete 100% technical knowledge. Correct? Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So see, there are a lot of things, right? See, when I studied college, right, that time there are no mobile phones, there are no internet facilities. At least I used to go to library, okay, for a long time, and I used to enjoy the free internet, and I used to explore the things in whatever the speed I'm getting. That is right. So that will be in KBs. Nowadays, everyone having mobile phone in their hands. Correct? At least you might have right.
Yes.
There are a lot of things to learn in YouTube apart from your serials and series. Okay. So if you see, I am not asking you to stop watching serials or series. So that's also part of it. You need to enjoy. But whenever you get free time, right? At least weekly 2 hours. Okay. So not more. Okay, what you're saying. Just 2 hours every week. You need to spend to learn in any one of the language, so that within 1 year, right? So you will be master in any of one technical language, either it is C or C++, whatever it is. So for all technical language, right, there is a C is outdated. So C is used in many of the especially in embedded development. So my brother just knows C embedded, but he is more than 20 lakhs. No language is less compared to other hard tech languages.
Yes, sir.
So that's my personal advice. Just be master in any one of the technical languages. Okay, don't spend time in learning all the languages. If you wanted to learn all the languages, just learn the basics. If you would enough to learn all the languages thoroughly, you can do that. I'm not stopping you. But for the beginners or the persons who cannot understand more technical things, just spend and try to learn one language completely. Definitely, you will get placed into your dream job. Okay, guys. So, any other questions? made three students to not Durgesh, Anjan, Saurav. Thanks for your interactions.
Uh,
Thank you, sir.
For others who haven't talked now, at least you're getting any chances please talk. Then only you will make yourself crack any you will make yourself comfortable to make any presentations in future. So Govind,
Excuse me, sir. One more question, sir.
yes, Anjan.
Yes, sir. We should join a inter-Sapa internship during vacation. Any suggestion?
Internship, again,
It will help.
have any ideas to join internship or try to attend whatever it is. So if you say I have completed the Sankar, that will not give you a job. Okay. So we need to crack the interview, right? See, if you go and say I have completed it, definitely no one will give you job. No one will give you job, correct? So they want these five skills. So that at least what the basic things you know technically, how you think things technical way, and how you are able to answer their questions in a technical way. So those things they need. See, certifications, your on the job trainings, and whatever the workshops you attend. So this will additional entities to your resume. Okay, that will not guarantee to give you a job until unless unless you learn Indian, you showcase yourself in the interviewers, like you are capable of doing the job. You guys getting taught
yeah, correct.
then how you can go and crack the interviews.
You
Change
can.
that attitude first. Definitely, you will try to crack the interviews. Okay, Anjan, thank you for your question. Hope I have answered.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anyone has any other questions? I think thanks everyone. Thanks
So,
for giving me this opportunity. After a long time, I had a good session with students. Thanks, Sakil sir, for giving me this opportunity as well.
Thanks
so thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thanks for this session and interactive session with our students. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for providing me this opportunity.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, finally, very good, sir.
Yeah, thank you all.
sir, sir, Ram Kumar, sir. Sir, எப்பா அது